Hey guys, welcome back. Today's episode, we're going to cover how to add flash messages to your components, as it's an important part of any form submission, right? So right now, if we go and we create a user and we submit, like we don't know what happened, right? Obviously the user was created, but you don't get any confirmation, right? So let's go ahead and fix that in this episode. So first thing I would like to do is, after we create our user, I actually want to clear our name, email, and password. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll reset them. So Livewire has a simple function for this. So you can say this reset and then pass in name, like email, and then password. So what this will do is basically reset them back to this empty string, right? So let's test this out. I'll run it with a different email and boom, it just got cleared out. Okay, so we can from now on, whenever you have a component, after there is a successfully you have done some action, you can just clear the form. Now, how can we send flash messages? Now, this is actually quite easy to do. We can use our sessions. So I'm going to go ahead and call the request helper and then access the session helper. And what we can do, the session helper has a method on it called flash. Okay. And for some reason, my VS Code is not finding it. It's okay. And inside this method, you can pass in two arguments. The first one is going to be the name. So I'll say message, or you can say success. And then the second part is going to be the actual message itself. I can say user created successfully. And I hope I didn't make a typo. So now that we have done that, we are good to go. We can go on our clicker, and to display it, I'll display it up here or above our form. We can do a simple if statement and then use the session helper inside the blade and then pass it in to make sure we have the session. So I named it success. So that's one way of doing it. You can also use session has. That's also another alternative way, but I think this works. And then inside here, to display it, we can basically echo session success. And to make it look good, I don't know, put it inside a span and I'll give it some nice styling, I guess. So I'll say, give it the full width. Maybe we can give it some padding. And then background, I'll say green. I have no idea if this will look good or not. I'll make it round. And then, yeah, I think that's enough. Let's see how it looks. So I'll go ahead and I'll try again. I say user3 and then some random email, some random password, and I hit create. And you can see it says user created successfully. And this looks very ugly. It's okay. But that's basically the whole idea behind it, guys. So you get what I mean. Instead of this W, actually, I could have done PX maybe 3. And then the background color does look very ugly, not going to lie. And I say text white. White. And that is it. So yeah, that's simple, guys. And if you reload, the success message goes away. Okay, I'll try again, maybe with another user. And I'm running out of random names to type in. And as you can see, boom, we get a simple success message. So that's all for today, guys. Just a very quick and simple thing, but I thought it's important for you guys to know how to clear your form and also show a success message. That's it. Hope you guys enjoyed this episode. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content, and I'll see you guys on the next episode. Have a great day. Bye.